Wait, don't scroll. What if I told you the greatest battle you will ever fight is not against the world? It is against yourself. This is the story of a woman who was broken, tested, and pushed her limits, but she refused to surrender. Her name is Masuma. Legends are never born, they are forget in silence. Pain and relentless determination. Masuma's journey began in the darkest moment, where fear whispered louder than hope. When deep within her heart, a quiet voice refused to let her give up. Then everything changed. Master voice calling asked something extraordinary inside her. Time seemed to stand still as her soul embraced a new purpose. Her eyes shone with unshakable determination, and every heartbeat is wet with the courage to step into the unknown. The road ahead was anything but easy. Fear surrounded her, doubt colored her mind. Shadows of uncertainty tried to convince her that she would never succeed. Tears rolled down her face, but they never became signs of defeat. Every tear became a promise that she will rise stronger than before. Masuma's true beauty was never defined by her appearance. It lived in her kindness, her compassion, and her unstable spirit. She carried hope where others said darkness, and she inspired strength where others felt powerless. Her heart became a sanctuary of the broken, and her courage became a light for those searching for their own path. Every challenge shaped her into someone even stronger, proving that the greatest victories are on within. Today, Masuma is more than just a name. She is a symbol of resilience, hope, and fearless determination. Remember, no matter how dark your journey becomes, your story is not over. Keep believing, keep fighting, because one day your story may become the inspiration that changes someone else's life forever.